What's up, Backberries? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love the vibe in this tribe, consider subscribing, hit that bell, and don't forget to give this video a big like, especially if you found this video super helpful. I'm going to show you my latest fall mini haul, and again, the purpose of this channel is to help you shop this awesome fall catalog that we just launched this month. Now, if there's something you really want to see, make sure you comment down below and I'll try my best to go ahead and do a comparison video or showcase it here on the channel. So without further ado, let's go see what I got. My local bag babes, go ahead and shop with me because guess what? I get to share what they get too, all right? So let's take up all the frou-frou stuff and see what I grab. First one up. Oh my goodness! Okay, we have an all zipped up crossbody purse in the plaid About You weave. Now, you girls know I've showcased this crossbody on the channel before. Personally, this is what I'm using, but I have yet to see it in this amazing print. Girls, I mentioned it during Bag Babe TV that this is probably going to be one of the hottest crossbodies for the season. It is perfect sizing and the colors and patterns are so universal, all right? Plaid About You weave. At first, I was like, oh my goodness, another, our classic plaid print for the fall. But as I continue to see this in person, I'm falling in love. So if you are the first time seeing this in the light, it's black, little off-white, and browns, okay? Crossbody, loving this with faux leather straps. It is adjustable, and no, you can't remove it. One thing I love about this is if you want to, you could totally personalize it. It would go right in the front there. It does have a front pocket, so if you want to slip any size phone in here, it will fit. Since iPhone 11 Max, right here, look at all that space. See? Check it out. Right goes in there, okay? I have a 10% off code for your loopies. I'm going to link it down below. You girls know I always like to hook you up with all the deals that I get. On the inside, you do have one zipper pocket, super small, enough just to put your change and all that fun stuff, all right? It's about the size of the back of the backing of this, but also on the back here, if you don't want to put your cell phone in the front pocket, you can put it right here. I love that. That cell phone pocket, you girls are loving that. Yes, this does fit an All About the Benjamins, so if you want to get an All About the Benjamins and get this at the 50% off, you totally can. One of the great reasons why I'm loving this because I can just transfer my Benjamin's wallet from here to another one, all right? So, All About You weave. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just pops. I mean, you can see it right here in this purse. So cute. You know, right, again, you could get this, personalize it, and maybe something else, and then you could get this big guy at 50% off. These are going to be like super fast highlights. If you want more up close of these items, let me know and I can do it for you on another video. Up next, dialed in foam purse in the textured gray. Again, we've seen this item on the channel before during my hauls, but I have yet to see it in this color or print. This is very neutral. This is one of the local bag babes. She likes to be, she's a minimalist, wants to just carry her phone and a few credit cards and then be gone, right? Stick her keys in here and go. Textured gray. This is made of the canvas print. Like most of our purses, this is one size. No, you can't personalize this. On the other side, you do have two flaps with that chestnut or that caramel faux pebble right here, just two flaps. Here are two rings, and you're like, what the heck am I doing this wrong? Because ladies, it's the crossbody. If you squeeze it, the inside opens, and there's some good resistance to it, okay? So this is not super floppy or if you're afraid of things falling out of it, but it comes with an adjustable, thin crossbody strap that you can simply remove and unremove with these rings here. You just clip, you see how that goes? And you slip it onto the loops right here. Yes, a cell phone pocket does fit in here, as you can see, and it closes, and look. Just for you to show. See, look how sturdy that is. Super sturdy. That it just collapses. So dialed in cell phone. Oh, what is this called? Dialed in phone purse. What else did I get in here? Oh, this seems hard. Just what we're talking about. All About the Benjamins in the Stone Distress Pebble. You girls, we had this for the spring catalog, and it is bridging into the fall because it's just so hot of a color. Is it purple? Is it pink? Is it brown? Is it taupe? What do you see? I'm thinking it's more of a pink purplish. This is one of those natural colored tone pebble faux leather pebble material that is great for all seasons. So of course, if you're gonna get the All About the Benjamins, you know she cashed in on a 50% off item, and guess what she grabbed? She got herself a City Scene bag in Stone Distress Pebble. Look at this, how gorgeous is this? Grab yourself a wallet, unlock the purse at 50% off. If you're new to this lineup or if you've never seen this, this is one of those medium to small size purses. It is a shoulder bag purse. If you were to personalize it, because yes, you can, it would go right in the front here. On the other side, it does have that awesome cell phone wallet holder. And she wanted to grab this one because this one zips up. You bag babes that love a zipper, this is the one that zips up right there. It is the brass antique metal color. If you want to know the specific details. On the inside, you do have our classic mini zipper pouch holder and then 2 flaps for you girls to stick your fun stuff in here. All right, so she got this to go with this, and of course you can't have it All About the Benjamins without a bracelet. This totally makes your wallet portable and ready to go. Just grab it and go ahead and do your errands. All right, so this is a set that she grabbed. For the local girls, I like to bulk all their orders together to save them on some shipping. All right, let's go ahead and see what the last item is. And it is what I tell you, this is a hot one. This is the all zipped up crossbody purse in the textured gray. You girls know I got this and I got it personalized with an R on it. Here it is again if you want to see it plain. Same concept as the Plaid About You weave. I do now have the All About the Benjamins. So look, you can see that it fits in there. All right. Again, pocket in the front. What differs about this is that this is a canvas strap. I just noticed, and this is a faux leather strap. Oh my goodness, I hope you found that helpful. Again, the detail and the attachment is a little bit different. This one seems a little bit, this one is also a thinner strap, but you guys choose the styling. Two of the same crossbodies, just a different style. So again, this bag babe, totally love the straps on this. I love how it pops. You see how the All About the Benjamins fits in there with plenty of room, just like this one. Pocket on the front, a little zipper in the middle, large sizing. It also does have the cell phone pocket holder in there. Again, same material, that canvas. This one feels more, okay, now that I'm looking at it closely, this is like our large utility kind of canvas, where this one is more of like a cotton fabric feel. So if you have this tote or something in this line, see how that it's almost like, it feels like clothes. That's the texture that I'm getting and feeling on this one. What? Okay, not only that, but also the faux leather is different. So a great comparison between the two. Now, if you're loving anything that you're seeing or that I showcase, make sure you get in on the all day, everyday customer special. Spend 50, get anything off at 50% off. Don't worry, 31 system will totally do all the math for you. So add, subtract all the stuff that you want in your cart, and 31 will give you the best deal. Now, of course, if you unlock $100 in your cart, guess what? You get 2 items at 50% off, and those include also our bundle deals, right? We always talking about bundles and how we can save on this channel. As always, my monthly mystery hostess link is down below. I will announce the winner on the 26th. You girls know I try to aim for a $500 party, because that totally unlocks this month's customer special, which is this 6-item bundle with that extra large tote and more fun stuff. Now, if you want all the rewards for yourself, you girls know I'm all about that party of one. Or if you want to do a party that's totally customizable to you, your needs, and your schedule, fill out I want a party form down below, and I will connect with you and let's get a party going. Hey! Now, if your list is long and you just want to have a 31 Christmas holiday, Let's get in. Let's chat. Joining in on the 31 opportunity. I would be honored if you chose me to help guide you. I'm number 3 in the company for onboarding new consultants and hitting their first major milestones. So what you put in it, I will give it back to you. All right. So no matter how big or small your 31 journey is, let me help you guide there. I can answer your questions. And as always, every month I do a giveaway. Rockstar, what is your September giveaway? Ladies, it's called free shipping. Okay. I want you girls to ship sooner than later so that you have all your holiday goodies now and not wait till last minute. All right, with all these other external factors that are happening, weather, delivery truck drivers, all that other stuff that we have no control over, I want you to shop early so you get free shipping. If you're shopping with me for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 100th time this month in September, ask for a code, say, Rockstar, I'm ready for my free shipping code, and I will give you that code. Don't forget that the holiday guide is launching in a couple of days. If you want the holiday guide, comment holiday down below, and I will totally give it to you. I will see you on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where we go live together with the awesome Bag Babes in this community, chit chat, give you the goods, build a sense of community there, and answer all your questions. So if you haven't yet, please join us 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. If you're loving the vibe in this tribe, hit that subscribe button down below and check out these playlists that I got going for you. Till next time, ladies, ta-ta!